Hello, and welcome to the Security and Access Manager training video on our Objects and Fields tab. The main purpose of this tab is to understand and update field level security. On the left side of the screen, we have all the organization's profiles and permission sets, and on the right side of the screen, we have all the organization's objects. You can choose any combination of profiles and permission sets with any objects you may want to check the field level access of. For this demo, I'm going to grab a random assortment of profiles and permission sets and a selection of objects. Once we press go, we can see a nice summary report of the object level access, which we can then export to Excel. Once you export to Excel, you can see the objects here on the left and the profiles and permission sets along the top. And for each combination, you can very easily see the color-coded object access rights. But the real power of this tab and its main purpose comes from looking at one specific object against profiles and permission sets to examine and update the field level security. So now I'll show you an example of that. So if I solely select the account object and press go, and then I click the show/hide FLS button, we can now see the field level security of the account object and the rights that each profile or permission set grants users. From here, we can make changes to the field level security, but before I do that, let me show you how you can export this information to Excel and what the export looks like. From here, we can see the field names with their API down the left. And across the top, we have the selected profiles and permission sets. Just beneath here, we can see a short summary of the object level access. And most importantly, we have the color-coded field level access. Then, if I go back into the app, we can make any field level security changes we want to. We can tick or untick any of these boxes based on the change that we want to make. So for example, I'm going to grant some read rights to the CFO profile. And then we simply need to type in a description of the change. So I'm going to write changed X because of X. And then once we press save, those changes are directly made into your org. No need for any additional steps. A log of the changes is also created. So if we open up the log and we scroll over here, we can see the changes highlighted in red. And if we want to revert those changes back to the state prior to the log, all we need to do is click the Revert Changes button, and that will be done. That concludes this help and training video. Thank you for watching.